The short squeeze in AMC stock will definitely happen. When? I don't know. And I don't think anybody has that answer, but it's definitely something totally different from your traditional investment in any stock out there in the stock market, because we all know we are facing a big institution in the name of Citadel, and these guys have big pockets. But because we are in a war, because it's really a fight, okay? And in a war, in order to win, you have to know exactly what will be the next move or how it's operating your enemy. And that's how you're going to use that in your advantage in order to beat him down. Okay, so I'm going to share with you exactly what Ken Griffin himself told us back in 2017 around how strategies, quant strategies they are using with technology in order to manipulate share price of assets in the financial market. All right, pay attention, guys. Here it goes.
Progress forward. There's an understanding that many dynamics of how humans behave can be, in a sense, taken advantage of by technology. If we know how humans behave and we can predict that, we can use that to better position our portfolios. And a number of quantitative strategies rely upon human biases and behavior to be successful. So as we understand this, look at the recent Nobel Prize in Behavioral Economics. As we understand this, we will use computers in new and innovative ways to better drive the pricing of assets in financial markets.
Now, all right, guys, you heard it yourself. They are using technology in order to take advantage of a human behavioral bias, meaning the share price you see, it's just psychology, guys, okay? And they are using this. And by data and technology, we also mean dark pools, okay? We already know that they are buying our orders, taking our orders from our brokerage firms. Robinhood was one of the scandals, so they are using that and routing our orders, sending them not directly to the exchange because, well, it will not reflect the actual supply and demand, meaning we are buying, the stock day after day, week after week, because the share price will shoot up to the moon at this point. So they are sending those into dark pools. And then by doing so, they are also taking advantage of our emotions, okay? Because they know the amount of people who are buying this. So to trick you, this is what they're doing. We've seen this last Friday as well, starting at 62 and then boom, shooting up all the way to 65, all right? And then they play with us, they short it, and then let it run again a little bit, and then they short it, let it run again, and then as we get towards the end of the trading session, boom, everything is going down like 4% on the day. We were almost up 4%, and now we're almost down 4%. Well, for all the paper handies here, of course, they will sell because, hey, if you bought it here, boom, you think you're losing money here, then you're out. And then all the people having stop losses that are, hey, if the share price of the stock, I'm already have a position open. If it reaches this, maybe 2% on the down, 3%, 4% on the down, sometimes 8, 10%, well, I'm out because I don't want to lose any more money. Also, it prevents people from getting in because you say, well, if it went out and went down, when I'm not sure if I want to get in now because I'm not sure if it's going to continue to dip. Well, that's how they are playing with the emotions because they know there are going to be paper hands. That is undeniable, all right? But now that we know this is a strategy they're using, it's even better for us to win the game because when it dips, we already know, it will go back up. And it did, okay? It will go back up, and that's why we need to buy. But more importantly, we need to hold because not only individual investors are buying, but also banks are buying. And definitely, every single day, we are unraveling a new discovery that are confirming that these guys are more and more cornered. It's just a matter of time, guys. Just look at how the share price will go next week, all right? And you will see by yourself. So, that being said, the next time it dips even 20%, just cool down, cal down, okay? Don't panic, don't freak out. If you can buy the dip, well, buy because they say 80%, but I really believe it's like even 95% of the retailers. And by retailers, I mean the apes, not the suits, hold this thing. So we get to decide how much we want when we sell our shares. And they know that. That's why they want to play as long as they can in order to see if we're going to get tired. But we have time. We do have time. We have nothing to lose. And that makes us even more dangerous.